Having your crypto locked on an exchange can be frustrating, right? If you've been buying or holding digital assets on Revolut, you might be wondering, how do I actually get my crypto out and into a private wallet or another exchange? Well, you've come to the right place. While Revolut makes buying crypto super easy, moving it to an external wallet is a specific process you need to get right. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step method for withdrawing your crypto from Revolut safely and securely. First things first, you need an external crypto wallet address ready to go. This is the destination for your coins, so make sure it supports the specific cryptocurrency and, crucially, the correct network you're sending on. Sending to the wrong network means losing your crypto forever. Seriously, double-check this step. Now, let's jump into the app. Step 1. Navigate to Crypto. Open your Revolut app and tap the Crypto section at the bottom of the screen. This is your main crypto hub. Step 2. Start the transfer. Next, you'll see your holdings. Select the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, say, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once on the coin screen, look for the Send button. This is your cue to begin the withdrawal process. Step 3. Enter the destination address. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is where you paste the external wallet address you prepared earlier. If it's your first time sending to this address, you might need to tap New or paste it directly. Always use the copy and paste function to avoid typing errors. Revolut may ask you to confirm the network you are using. Again, ensure this matches the network of your receiving wallet. For example, if you are sending ETH, make sure you are using the correct network. Step 4. Specify the amount and review. Enter the amount of crypto you wish to withdraw. The app will then display a review screen showing you the total amount you're sending, plus any fees. Now, about those fees, Revolut charges a service fee for external crypto withdrawals, which is a flat rate. It varies slightly depending on the coin. They also charge a variable network fee, which goes to the blockchain miners or validators. Both fees will be clearly displayed before you hit send, so you know exactly what you're paying. Step 5. Confirm and complete. Once you've triple-checked the receiving address, the network, and the total amount including fees, tap Send or Confirm Transfer. Revolut might then ask for a security verification, like a passcode or Face ID. And that's it. Your crypto is now an on-chain transaction. Most of the time, Revolut transfers are very quick, often completed within minutes. But remember, once it's on the blockchain, the transaction is irreversible. A pro tip for your first time, always send a small test amount first to a new wallet address. It's better to lose $1 in fees than your entire crypto portfolio to a typo. Check your external wallet to confirm the small amount arrives successfully before sending a larger withdrawal. And remember to check your daily and monthly withdrawal limits within the Limits and Fees section of the crypto area, just to make sure your transfer will be allowed. Moving your crypto from a fiat to crypto app like Revolut is a key step in taking full control of your digital assets, and now you know exactly how to do it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.